Thanks for checking out this video. This video is actually pretty important. This is the last video, or the last circuit, for Book 1 for the Electronics Learning Lab. So after I do this circuit, I'll show, I think I'll probably do some type of summary video, like lesson, what did I learn from Book 1 type of video. But this video is a frequency meter. So again, we're using the 555 chip. We're using the 4046 chip. We have a lot of ceramic capacitors in here. We have two 0.1 microfarad capacitors. We have one 0.001 microfarad capacitor, and we have one 0.0047 microfarad capacitor. You can see we got several resistors going on. Let's see, we have, try to do it from this side. Well, anyways, we have a yellow, violet, brown, which is a 470. We have a red, 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 which is 2.2K. We have a blue, gray, orange, which is 68K. A brown, black, yellow, which is 100K. And a brown, black, orange, which is 10K. Let's see, what else do we have? We have, okay, so we're using a milliamp meter over here. That's connected. And we also have this 1 million potentiometer connected. So what's going to happen when I turn the unit on is the frequency of the signal from this 555 chip, as that increases, the meter reading over here will increase. So not a lot of bells and whistles in this one, but definitely an important circuit to to measure the frequency of something. The book says that as I rotate this potentiometer to the right, that the meter needle will begin to move to the right to indicate the increased frequency from this 555 chip. But it also says that very slight flaws in the potentiometer might cause the needle to jump when the potentiometer is rotated. Okay, so let me do it from a bird's eye view first, and then I'll zoom in on, I'll focus better on the meter. Okay, so here we go. It's on. I'm going to slowly rotate this to the right and just check out the meter up here and see when it jumps and how it jumps. I'm just going to rotate this to the right here. Try to do it slow because I don't know when it's going to jump. So far it's not moving. Still not moving. Do I have any errors anywhere? There it goes. Whoa. There we go. So that looks like it's all the way at the end. Let me rotate it back. Yeah, so see, it takes a big jump there at the end. Oh my gosh. Big jump at the end. Let's move it back slow. So yeah, it takes a couple big jumps there, for sure. Seems like all the action happens just within this really short small range of the potentiometer. Okay, let me rotate it all the way back to the left, and let me just bring the camera over here to the milliamp meter. Okay, let me just start rotating. Yeah, it takes a really big jump. Goes from like 2 to 0.7 just with small, like half a millimeter move of this potentiometer dial. And then yeah, I see what it's saying. It kind of moves back and forth. Because yeah, this potentiometer, I mean, this is for learning electricity principles in a safe environment. It's not like one they would use in a stealth fighter aircraft or space shuttle, right? So it's going to have a little more flaws in it. Interesting. So yeah, so right now, see that needle moving like that? That's just me doing this here. That's just me doing, I'm just pressing down. So that's just me pressing down on it. Let me continue to rotate it. Yeah, and then the jump from like 0.7 to 1 or beyond 1. Again, that's just like a, look at this, that's just like me moving this just like a half, like nothing. I mean, like nothing. That's interesting. But anyways, that's the idea here. Let's see. Move it back again. Okay. You know, maybe if we use, you know, I don't know off the top of my head, but maybe if we use some different components, maybe some different capacitors or resistors, we could get this to be more smooth. Okay, but anyways, that is a frequency meter. And like I said, that was the, look at this, that was the last circuit. Here's the back cover from book 1. So we are done with book 1, and we will start book 2, which are digital logic projects. Okay, so I think the next video I'll do is like, you know, like a lessons learned from book 1. What did I learn? What were some, you know, good aspects of the book? What were some bad aspects of the book? That type of stuff. Okay, so thanks for checking this out. We're through book 1, and I think we got something like, well, I'll say it next video for sure. I'll do an actual count, but I think we got something like 130 circuits or something. And you know, off camera I did all the variations I could think of, the ones the book showed, some ones that I came up with, but pretty much I did everything in the book. So yeah, I mean, that's a lot of circuits just for one workbook. Okay, so anyways, thanks for checking this out. Be sure to check out the summary video, and then check out the circuits that we'll start doing from book 2. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.